Hello everyone. If you ever wondered how those 3D printed things are made, this video is for you. Today I will break down what 3D printing is, types of printers, materials, and how FDM printers work so you can get a basic understanding of 3D printing. So let's start. What 3D printing is? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is the process of creating physical objects layer by layer from a digital model. You can design your own model using different types of CAD softwares, or you can download models from different websites like Cults 3D, Thingiverse, Creality Cloud, and many other websites. Types of 3D printers. There are several types of 3D printers, but most common are FDM, also known as fused deposition modeling. These uses spools of filaments like plastic strings and are great for prototyping and hobby. SLA, also known as stereolithography, uses liquid resin and UV light, awesome for detailed prints like miniatures. SLS, selective laser sintering. A bit more industrial, this uses powdered materials and laser, super cool but are expensive. For this video, we will be focusing on FDM printer because that's what I use and most people start with as it is more user friendly. How FDM printers work. FDM printers work by heating up the filament and pushing it through a nozzle. The printers move in 3 dimensions: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, layering the plastic precisely according to your 3D model. It starts at the bottom and moves up, depositing one layer at a time as its name suggests. Common filaments. Let's talk about filaments. There are different types of materials and filaments that a FDM printer use. Some common ones are PLA, easy to print, biodegradable, great for beginners, and multiple color options. PETG or PETG, stronger and more temperature resistant, perfect for functional parts. ABS, durable but tricky to print because it needs a heated enclosure to prevent warping. Every materials have their pros and cons depending on what you are printing. 3D printing is an incredible tool for creativity, prototyping, or just having fun. Whether you are making useful gadgets or just cool desk toys, it's a rewarding hobby. If you want to see more prints and tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see my workflow, you can comment down below. I will make a separate video on it. Thanks for watching and happy printing.